This is Hunter Mariner with a burned out motor. It's not the capacitor or anything to switch housing, because I know because I tried another switch housing, same result. The motor was having issues. And it even sparked. And it even blew the breaker. So yeah, it's motor issue, not capacitor, motor. And I contacted Hunter, and they're nice enough to send me a new fan to make up for the motor spark. This fan is dated 50th week of 2007. I remember when both work. I was surprised when I found out this one had a bad motor. And I want to say the blades are more yellow on this one than the other one. The other one doesn't have blades nearly as yellowed. So the bad news is I won't be able to make a video of it on all speeds. Though I do have small video of it on high as well as other one. But the good news is I'll take a video of new fan on all speeds instead of this fan. If the fan causes problems like spark or external damage, contact the fan company right away, because this needs to be resolved and is serious. It can't keep happening to new fans. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please have a comment, rate, and subscribe.